Ready to explore the top-notch salad spinners of the moment? We've handpicked 6 honorable mentions, considering factors like price, performance, and battery life. Keep watching for the exciting reveal of their sequence. Get additional insights and the latest prices in the description. Ourokhome. The Ourokhome Salad Spinner, also known as the Ourokhome Spinner, is a convenient kitchen tool that makes preparing salads a breeze. With its quick push and one-handed operation, you can easily get the driest and crispest salads in seconds. The pump handle is so easy to press that even a child can use it effortlessly. The salad spinner is designed with a quick brake button for immediate stop, saving you time. Its fully transparent design allows you to see if all the water has been drained, and it adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The large size of the spinner makes it perfect for processing vegetables for the whole family at once. Additionally, it can be used as a fruit washer and a serving or mixing bowl. Overall, the Ourokhome Spinner is a versatile and convenient tool that will make your salad preparation a breeze. The Ourokhome Salad Spinner is crafted for durability and convenience, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a busy home cook, this salad mixer simplifies the process of preparing crisp, dry greens for your salads. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ourokhome Salad Spinner Lettuce Dryer, the perfect blend of functionality and ease for a healthier dining experience. KITEXPERT. The Salad Spinner. Large 6.3 QT, the ultimate manual lettuce spinner for efficient vegetable prepping. With its user-friendly one-handed pump design, this fruit spinner dryer streamlines your kitchen routine, making it easy to achieve perfectly dry greens for your salads. The accompanying bowl and colander provide a complete solution for washing and drying your veggies and fruits. Crafted for convenience, this salad spinner is dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup after use. The 6.3 QT capacity is ideal for handling large quantities, making it perfect for both daily meal preparation and entertaining guests. The sleek black designs adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Upgrade your vegetable and fruit washing routine with the Salad Spinner Large 6.3 QT, a reliable and time-saving tool that combines simplicity with efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this spinner is an essential addition to your kitchen arsenal, promising crisp and dry greens with every use. Joined. Make preparing salads a breeze with the joined large salad spinner with storage lid, drain, bowl, and colander. This multifunctional kitchen gadget has a built-in drainage system that allows you to wash and dry greens, fruits, and vegetables without removing the lid. Its non-skid base provides stability and control, and the 2 locking clamps on the lid prevent water and greens from making a mess. This salad spinners is not just for salad. Use it to wash veggies and fruits, remove excess water from pasta, or excess oil from French fries. Utilize the transparent base as a serving bowl or salad mixer, and repurpose the basket as a convenient colander or a basket for washing vegetables. This not only conserves cupboard space, but also minimizes the number of dishes to wash. Bid farewell to hand-washing gem lettuce, resorting to numerous paper towels for drying chopped salad, unintentionally splattering water across the kitchen, and enduring lackluster, waterlogged salads. Our user-friendly rotary handle simplifies the spinning process, providing you with the ease of preparing a quick, mess-free, and delectable salad. Smile Mom. The Smile Mom Salad Spinner, a game-changer in vegetable preparation. With a generous 4.2 quart capacity, this lettuce spinner is a versatile and efficient solution for washing and drying your greens. The innovative rotary handle ensures easy and smooth operation, making the process quick and enjoyable. Designed for convenience, the smart lock lid secures the contents in place during spinning, preventing any mess or spills. Crafted from BPA-free materials, this salad spinner prioritizes safety without compromising functionality. The vibrant red colors adds a touch of flair to your kitchen. Compact storage is made easy with the Smile Mom Salad Spinner, allowing you to save precious cabinet space. The thoughtful design incorporates an easy draining feature, ensuring your salads are perfectly crisp and ready to enjoy. Elevate your kitchen experience with this user-friendly and stylish salad spinner that effortlessly combines form and function. Smile Mom Salad Spinner. making vegetable preparation a joyful and efficient experience. SveBake. The SveBake Salad Spinner is a versatile kitchen tool made of robust 18/8 stainless steel and BPA-free ABS materials. Its crank design allows for precise control over the spinning process, making it perfect for handling delicate berries. Not only can you wash and dry a variety of lettuces and greens, but you can also efficiently clean fresh herbs, berries, and bulky vegetables like broccoli and carrots. The salad spinner comes with a silicone grip on the underside, keeping it secure on the countertop even during vigorous spinning. With fewer parts, it is easy to clean either by hand or in the dishwasher. Say goodbye to soggy salads and hello to fresh and crisp greens with the SveBake Salad Spinner. GUCABE. A versatile 3-in-1 multifunctional kitchen gadget designed for ease of use and cleaning. Each component is easily detachable, allowing for straightforward maintenance. Transform the transparent base into a serving bowl or salad mixer, while the basket serves as a convenient colander or vegetable washing container. This not only optimizes cupboard space, but also reduces the number of dishes requiring washing. Effortlessly wash and dry your greens, fruits, and vegetables without the need to remove the lid. Introduce water through the lid during the spin wash, tilt the salad spinner to release water through the lid's opening, and spin once more to eliminate excess water and achieve thorough drying. The non-skid base ensures stability and control, keeping the bowl steady on your countertop during use. With a brake button for control, press to halt the spinning motion. This gadget is not only ideal for preparing salads, but also proves handy for spinning out excess water from pasta, enhancing sauce adhesion, or removing surplus oil from French fries. Undoubtedly, it stands out as one of the most invaluable tools in any kitchen. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.